Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic premium bonus plans, health plan, health plan as well as Rowan plan, which is very useful and important topic in cost accountancy as well as in CA examination. It is also has a very practical importance. So now let's see about it. Premium bonus plan. Premium bonus plans ensures that minimum fixed wages to an employee plus time saved by the employee and the bonus according to the time saved. The share of the bonus is shared by the employer as well as employee. The bonus arises from this increased productivity, and this bonus is shared by the employer and employee in different proportion as according to the plan. So before we see these three plans, we have to understand some important terms. Hours worked is equal to H. R stands for rate per hour and standard time is equal to S. Health premium plan, health wear plan and Rowan plan are part of these premium bonus plans. So now let's understand about this health plan. Health plan was introduced by American mechanical engineer as well as economist Frederick Arthur Halsey. He named this formula as 50% sharing plan because in this plan the productivity and the bonus arises from the increased productivity is shared by the employer as well as employee equally. So formula is hours worked into rate per hour plus 50% of time saved, which is S minus H into rate per hour. Health plan. It is modification of health premium plan done by GT Ware. This formula is also known as 33 1/3 sharing plan because in this scenario gain arises from increased productivity is shared in ratio of 1:2, which means 33 1/3 is given, share of bonus is given to the employee and rest 66 2/3 is given to the employer. Formula is hours worked into rate per hour plus 33 1/3 of time saved into rate per hour. The difference in both is that it is 50% of bonus is given and here is 33 1/3 bonus given to the employee. Now Rowan plan. Rowan plan was named after James Rowan, and in this bonus is given as the proportion of time taken, which is time saved and time allowed. The formula is hours worked into rate per hour plus time saved upon standard time into hour works into rate per hour. So let us understand about these three in one example. Suppose there is a company of understand about this with an example. Suppose there is a chips producing company which sets a target of 20 kgs of chips for a worker to produce it within 10 hours of a day, and the rate given to the employee is 7 rupees per hour. However, the employee completes his work within 6 hours. So from this data we came to know that S is equal to 10 hours, H is equal to 6 hours and R is equal to 7 rupees. So we can use this data, and in the given formula we have studied earlier and find out the wages as per these three plans. So let's see, hours worked into rate per hour will be similar for all three. So which is H into R, that is 7 into 6, which is equal to 42 rupees. This is a minimum fixed wages given to the employee, and the rest bonus component will change as per the formula. So now let's see the bonus for health plan, which is 50% of time saved into rate per hour. Here we can see this time saved into rate per hour is 28 rupees. So 50% of this comes to 40 rupees. So by adding this 42 and 14 we get the total bonus of health plan, which is equal to 56 rupees. As we can see, the 42 and 14 rupees comes at 56 as total bonus, total wages for health plan, where in health wear plan the minimum fixed wages is 42 rupees and time saved into rate per hour is 28, and we have to take 33 1/3 of this, which comes to 9.33 rupees. So in health wear plan the total wages is 42 plus 9.33, which comes to 51.33 rupees. And when we come to Rowan plan, minimum fixed wages is same as 42 rupees, and we have to take little bit different calculation for this, which is time saved into rate per hour. The formula is time saved into rate per hour upon time saved into hours worked into rate per hour. So S minus H upon S into H into R. S minus H is 10 minus 6, which comes to 4. 4 upon S, that is 10. 4 by 10 into 42. 4 by 10 into 42 comes to 16.8. So the bonus of Rowan plan is 42 plus 16.8 bonus, and total wages is 58.88. So we have seen this different types of wages as per different plan. Now let us understand what happens when the time saved is different in different scenario, how the time saved factor affect the bonus and as well as wages of the employee. So here is a comparative analysis of all these three. First we will look at the bar graph. Here x-axis shows time saved in hours, whereas y-axis shows wages of an employee. That is, we can say it as bonus because minimum wages is fixed, so we take bonus in y-axis. X-axis shows time saved by the employee, whereas y-axis shows minimum bonus. So let us understand about the scenario when time saved is less than 50%, means time saved is less than 5. We can see the graph, green line shows the Rowan plan, bonus of Rowan plan, that when the time saved is less than 50%, the Rowan plans offered highest bonus, which is followed by Healthsave plan and Healthsave plan. When time saved, so let us see about when time saved is exactly 50%. When time saved is exactly 50%, the bonus of Healthsave plan and Rowan plans, Healthsave plan and Rowan plan are equal, which means that both these lines intersect each other at 5, and Healthsave plans continues to offer lesser bonus as compared to both. So when times saved is more than 50%, Rowan plan bonus of Rowan plan goes down, and Healthsave plan as well as Healthsave plan goes to increase, whereas bonus of Healthsave plan increasing at a faster rate than the Healthsave plan. The bonus of Rowan plan continues to fall. So in this case we can say that when time saved is more than 50%, Healthsave plan offers the highest bonus, which is followed by Healthsave plan, and the Rowan plan offered the least bonus. So to summarize it, we can say that when time saved is less than 50%, Rowan plan offers the highest bonus, which is followed by Healthsave plan and Healthsave plan. When time saved is exactly 50%, Rowan plan and Healthsave plan give the equal bonus, and Healthsave plan gives lesser bonus than both of them. And when time saved is more than 50%, Healthsave plan gives the highest bonus, and it goes on increasing, whereas Rowan plan's bonus continues to fall down, and the bonus of Healthsave plan is also increasing, but not that of Healthsave plan, but at a diminishing rate. So if you found this video informative, do like this video and subscribe our channel for some latest and informative topic. Thank you.